is what you'll need for my Turkish lentil soup. Some lentils, of course, an onion, some garlic, some chicken stock, carrot, potato to thicken it a bit, stick of celery, some rice to also thicken it a bit, and then some chicken to make the chicken stock. I've got chicken legs here, but you could just as easily boil up chicken wings, chicken drumsticks, anything like that. And then to finish off the soup, some lemon juice and some chili oil. First thing we're going to do is get the chicken stock on. What I like to do, get the chicken pieces, just give them a rinse in warm water, get rid of any bits or impurities. When you've rinsed off your chicken, it's time to get it into a pan and cover it with boiling water. And then into there with your garlic that you've smashed, an onion and celery, and a bit of salt, bit of pepper, black cracked pepper that is, and simmer that away for half an hour. With your chicken simmering away, it's time to get on with the soup. Put your lentils into a sieve and give them a good rinse in cold water. Into a pan with a knob of butter and some vegetable oil, and then in with your onion, celery and chopped carrot. Let them simmer and steam away for 5 minutes just to soften down a bit. When your veg have had a few minutes, take off the lid and then in with your chopped up spuds, good pinch of salt, and same for the black pepper. Then in with your lentils that you've rinsed, and again just let them warm through for a few minutes. When they've all warmed through, it's time to get yourself a sieve out and a muslin cloth if you've got one, and then go in with your chicken stock you've been simmering away. And don't forget to pick the chicken pieces off. They can always go in a stir fry or a curry or anything you're making a sauce out of, really. Then to top up your chicken stock with more chicken stock. And then into there, just to thicken your soup up so it doesn't come out like water. 3 tablespoons of rice. Then we're going to simmer that away for at least 30 minutes. The longer you simmer, the less chance you'll have of any stringy bits coming from your celery. When it's had 30 minutes or more, time to turn off the heat, get your hand blender out or put it into your smoothie maker blender if you haven't got a hand blender, and blend away. If it looks a bit pale and anemic like that, Turkish like to go in with a bit of turmeric so that it turns it yellow. Once it's in a bowl, to finish it off, just going in with a bit of lemon juice and then a few drops of chili oil, and then get stuck in and enjoy.